this video, I'll discuss with you how to create a blog post for your WordPress website. I'll be explaining everything step by step from the very beginning. So if you think the video is going to be valuable for you, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now without any more delay, let's get started. Now with the first blog post, you will officially start off with the journey of creating a blogging website. Not only blogging websites, but I'll also teach you how to create e-commerce websites and many other types of websites later on. So to start off with, first of all, let me remind you of what we have done by now in this course. We have created menu, we have created some pages, also we have tried to set up our home page. Now, since I've talked much about this and that, let's get down to what we are supposed to do in this video. We are gonna create a blog post. A post can be either an informative or an entertaining article. So in order to create a post, let's get back to the backend of our website and click on post. Click on all post. We'll first delete the default blog post, that is hello world. So for that, click on trash and there we go, we don't have any post by now. So to create a new post, click on add new. Here we can create our post. So the interface looks quite similar to what we have observed while creating pages, right? This is because in both the cases, same editor, that is Gutenberg editor, is being used. So the first post that I'm gonna create here is, the title has to be 5 best ways to earn money online in 2021. So on this topic, I'm gonna write a post on my website. You can write any other post based on the niche of your website. Since my website and my channel is all about skills enhancement and online earning, so I'll be posting articles related to this niche only. Now, I have already had a pre-written article which I copied from somewhere. See, I cannot write a complete article and show you that. The video will be way too long, right? But when you will be posting an article on your website, please do not copy it from somewhere because the legal action might be taken against you. Also, your article won't rank in Google search engine. So the best way is to write the article by yourself and then post it onto the website. So here is the title of my blog post, and then there is gonna be a paragraph, an introductory paragraph. So for adding a paragraph, click on this plus icon here or here it can be, and then click on paragraph. So I'm copying the content and then paste it over here. As you can see here, your introductory paragraph has been created. Now you can do some changes, like you can increase the size. For that, click on here and then click on medium. Well, 22 would be better. So first of all, scroll down the website and cancel out the WP setting that is in front of you. We don't need that for the time being. Okay, so after adding the paragraph, I want to add the number 1 way to earn money online. For that, I'll be using H2 heading tag. So press enter, and then here we have got our new block, that is again a paragraph. So to change that, click on plus icon again, and here click on heading. Automatically the Gutenberg editor has provided us with H2 heading. See, in your post, for the sake of SEO, what you are supposed to do is to use H1 heading tag only once. Rest all the heading tags may be H2 and H3 depending upon how important that heading text is going to be in your article, right? So here we are going to have H2 heading tag. So the first way is freelancing. Now I want to add an image right down below the heading. So press enter and change the block by clicking on plus. Click on image and click on upload. Then you can either choose from media library, but we are gonna upload it from our PC. Here we have our image. Open. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna write something about freelancing, right? So click on plus again, and that's definitely gonna be a paragraph block. Copy the content and then paste it over here. See, copying content is not allowed when you are seriously posting an article onto your website. Okay, so now as you can see here, not only one paragraph, here 4 paragraphs are in total. So remember, when you are writing an article, no, you have to separate it in some paragraphs of not more than 150 words in each. See, this is not gonna be an ideal case where you are writing 500 words in a single paragraph. That's gonna be boring and readers won't pay attention to that. Okay, so now we'll increase the size of each of these paragraph text. So for that, click on the block and then increase the size as per our need. Go there and type 22. See, one tip I want to share here, whenever you are writing an article, click on Save Draft so that your work up to that time will be saved. So click on Save Draft to save what we have done by now. Okay, so by far how our article looks, you can see. Now I am thinking of adding the other way to earn money online. That's again gonna be H2 heading tag. So press enter. And here we are gonna have paragraph block by default. So change that. Click on plus. Click on heading. Here we have H2 heading tag again. See, it's very important to use heading tags intelligently for the SEO purposes, which I'll tell you later on in this course. So the second way is gonna be YouTube. Now I want to write something about this. So press enter and paragraph block. Copy the content and here I am gonna paste it again. Here what I was supposed to do is to talk in detail about how to earn money through YouTube. So I've written something. I'm not gonna go in detail or else the video will be way too long. So change the font size over here, 22 again. Okay, this looks cool, but after first paragraph block, I want to add an image over here. So for that, press enter and click on plus over here. Click on image, upload. Here we have our image. There we go. We have an image also here in the second heading too. Now again, what I'm supposed to do is to save draft. Now we can get a preview of how our website is looking right now. So click on preview, preview in new tab. So this is how our blog post is looking by now. We have added the title and then introductory paragraph, then the first way to earn money online. Then next is an image block. Then we have discussed something about this method of earning in this paragraph. Coming down, this is next heading, that is YouTube. And then we have talked about that also. So now what I am supposed to do is to add third subheading, fourth subheading and fifth subheading and discuss about that in detail like I've already done here, that I'm not gonna do here because the video will be way too long. My purpose was only to make you understand how to do this. Now further you can do it by yourself. Now let me tell you something more about writing a post. There are many other options available right over here. So click on plus and see what we have here. You can experiment it by yourself. Like we can add some list of text here. We can also add quote here. Also you can add table by clicking over here. You can also add audio to the blog post. Also you can add a gallery of images. Here we have an option of media and text. So clicking on that, you can understand what it is all about. Here you can see it's been divided into two parts. Here you can add an image or any kind of media. And on the right side of that image, you can also post some textual content. But we don't need this block. So to remove that, click on here and click on remove blocks. So simple. Okay guys, that's it for today. You can keep changing the things until you are completely satisfied with how it looks. So if you are with me, by now, I hope you would also have created your first post. Still any doubts or questions, comment down below to let me know. And if you think the video was valuable enough, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video where I'll tell you how to embed a video to your post and also customize your video post. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be positive.